You know what that means. It's time again. Yep. Hurricane season will be starting soon. Officially, it starts in June. We're almost to May. There has been a hurricane that started in January. The first hurricane in January. So with the weather conditions like they've been lately, you just don't know. You need to get prepared. So I'm going to do a series on emergency radios and other emergency things that you need to get now. Get prepared. You need to have something so you know what's going on. Storms all over the world. This one is the Prunis J-166. And it's on sale right now for, I think it's like 25% off. It's only $9.98. And it's AM, FM, and weather band. Everything you need. It's larger than I thought it would be. I thought it would be a lot smaller. Got a carrying strap. Over here we have tuning, we have volume, and then we have band select and off. A nice belt clip. This is handy because once you start getting reports that there's bad weather coming in your area, you can turn this on to the weather band or maybe a AM FM station and listen to the news, and just clip this to your belt and have it with you all the time. It uses two very common AA batteries, so those are easier to find. Over here we have earbud jack. Nice, big, easy to read dial, and a very reflective. You can see my fan, ceiling fan in the reflection. Has indication that you're on, the radio's on, and that you've tuned into the station. It's locked onto a station. Like I say, AM, FM, weather band. Pretty nice. Comes with the carrying strap, and that's all. You have to supply your own batteries, and it comes with a very small manual, which I'm trying to open up here. Very small manual, but this is, you don't even need the manual. No, you don't even need the manual. But it tells you features, and it tells you things like don't use or save this radio in a dusty environment. Okay, so probably saying that don't use it in a dust storm. Don't put the radio in extreme hot or cold. Okay, and this is the good one. Don't throw, drop, or shake the radio. Okay, and then here's some battery installation do's and don'ts. Don't use a new battery with an old battery. That's always good. Good thing to do or not do. Don't use batteries of different types or brands. Okay. Don't use batteries with different power. Okay. Don't use alkaline batteries and rechargeable batteries together. You can use them separately, but not together. Okay. Anything else important in here? No, that's about it. So, like I say, don't even need this. This is straightforward. This is the kind of bare bones for an emergency radio. And it does the basic stuff you need. It gives you NOAA weather. Does not give you NOAA weather alerts. So that's why I was saying it's nice to have the carrying strap, because when you, just had an earthquake, my sign fell down. When you are learning about bad weather coming, you can tune this in, put it on your belt, and carry it, or hang it on your purse and carry it with you at all times. Let's do a little tuning here. I'm on the weather band. We'll turn the volume back up. Okay, there's a strong station. It's got about a 15-inch telescopic antenna.
15 knots, becoming southeast 5 to 10 knots early this afternoon.
That's clear as a bell.
Monday.
There's another one.
East winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming south 5 to 10
Okay.
knots in the afternoon.
I should have turned that fan off because that thing's really reflecting that overhead fan. Let's go down to the bottom of the band. See if we can get another one. Noise. No. That's trying. See, it's trying to tune or lock on. No muting. Okay, so it was able to get 2 NOAA weather channels. Normally in my area, even with an outside antenna, I can only get 3, one of which is weak. So this got 2 very strong, couldn't get the weak station. That's fine. We will quickly tune the other bands. This is AM, kind of in the middle of the band there. Let's go down. And we'll turn the volume up. That will help.
A listener is witnessing.
Oh, yeah.
Conventionite.
Yeah. Whoa. That's it.
Here comes.
Okay, lots of music on AM this morning, so we will skip that. So it did fine on AM. I will not try, let me turn it off. I will not try FM. Too much music. I could get in trouble. So I'm not going to try FM. I've used it on, FM. I've used it on FM. There's my fan again. And it picks up a lot of stations. Works fine. Tremendous buy at $10. Well built. You gotta get you not ought to, you need to get you some kind of emergency radio that has the weather band. This one, again, does not have the weather alerts. So what you would do is when conditions are going downhill and storms are coming, you can turn it on to the NOAA weather, strap it onto your belt, and keep it with you listening to the reports all the time, or turning it on and off as needed to be tuned in to the weather conditions. Because lately, this past year, weather conditions, or weather, what am I trying to say here? Weather has been crazy. I mean, floods all over, lots of floods, tornadoes in the central part of the United States. Every day there's a new tornado. Just had a couple just a few days ago. I mean, oh my gosh. So you need this. Get you one. I am going to do a series on emergency radios and other things that go with emergency radios. And this, I thought I'd start with this one. This is the bare minimum. It gets the job done, but it's the bare minimum. I have put this in my Amazon store. You can get to my Amazon store via the link in the description below each of my videos. And what happens, it's just a storefront. It's Amazon. So you're dealing with Amazon once you go there. It's just a storefront. And if you buy something, when you take that link, I get a small commission, which I used to buy things like this to show to you. I bought this one. I didn't have it sent to me by Prunus. I bought it. I wanted to grab it. It was on sale. I wanted to show it to you. So if you use that link, you can do that, and I can get a small commission. And if you use that link and you don't, say you decide you don't want this radio or some other radio on one of my other videos, while you're there, if you purchase anything, I get a small commission. Again, I use that total commission to buy things like this to show to you. I want to thank you for your support, and putting up with my jabbering. Oh my gosh. I get too excited when I get things like this. Sorry. Have a great day. Bye-bye.